Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have an Hshop account, a valid license, and a recent site backup. Once you confirm backups, download the theme zip and any child theme or plugin bundles from Hshop. Then open your CMS admin and go to Theme or Appearance Upload. Make sure to disable caching plugins temporarily. You do this so file changes apply cleanly. Finally, upload the theme zip now and wait for the installer to validate files before proceeding to activation. Once the theme is uploaded, activate it and let the Hshop installer prompt you for recommended plugins. You should install only what you need to avoid bloat. Next, import demo content. Choose full or selective import. Selective is faster and safer if you want to preserve existing content. After import, navigate to the customizer and set your logo, color palette, typography, and header layout. Make sure to save changes and preview on desktop and mobile to confirm responsive behavior before moving on. To finish, you verify all critical pages, menus, widgets, and forms work as expected. Test main flows like checkout or contact forms. Once done, clear site and CDN caches and recheck load times. If something breaks, open the browser console and your server error log to identify JavaScript or PHP issues, then disable recently added plugins to isolate conflicts. If problems persist, restore your backup or contact Hshop support with a concise error summary and steps to reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.